In Jamaica, just saying I am hungry is just too basic for us. We love to add our own flavor into how we express ourselves. So instead of saying the obvious phrase, me hungry, we get creative. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 14 Jamaican phrases for when you're hungry. So let's get straight into it. And we're gonna kick it off like this. Me hungry like dog. Meaning, I am hungry like a dog. So, a little backstory. In Jamaica, we have a lot of stray dogs, and most of them are always hungry. So, when you sit down to eat, you always see them coming around, waiting for bones and scraps from your plate, right? And that's the reason why we compare being hungry to how a dog would behave around food. Number two is, me try a twist. Meaning my tripe, which is my intestine, is twisting. In Jamaica, tripe is referred to as intestine. Now, logically, when you think about it, it doesn't make any sense because when you're hungry, that feeling usually comes from your stomach and not your intestine, right? But that's just how we say it, and we know exactly what we mean. Moving along. Yes, kill me. Why? All right, let's do this again.
A few moments later.
Gas kill me. Meaning, gas is killing me. Now, when your stomach has been empty for a while, gas builds up. And that gas can cause a real discomfort, right? So that aching, stabbing feeling that you feel in your stomach when you're hungry, it could make you feel like you're literally almost gonna die, right? So that's the reason why we say, gas kill me. Moving along. All we are going, hungry a bust my shut, you know? This means hunger is bursting my shirt. Now, when you translate it to English, it doesn't really make any sense, but we know exactly what we're talking about. Moving along. I'm gonna eat from morning. This means I haven't eaten since morning. It's very straightforward. It just means you haven't eaten anything all day. Moving along. The worm them in my belly a growl, brother. Meaning the worms in my belly are growling. So, funny story, when we were younger, we usually joke around whenever we hear that growling sound coming from our belly when we're hungry. We usually say like, yo, the worms are actually fighting each other because the worms are hungry too, right? Obviously, we know those are not worms growling. They're just gas moving around in our belly, right? But as kids, we used to joke around like that all the time. Let's move along. Yo, hungry a bite me, no? Meaning, hunger is biting me. No, this is my all-time favorite. This is the one I use most of the time. It's like hunger as a teeth and it's coming around to bite you. Moving along. Right now, I'm raw. I'm raw. You know what? I'm gonna leave this one right here. Let's move along. You already know what time it is. Did you click the like button as yet? What are you waiting for to click the like button? Oh, you have been enjoying the video, eh? Okay, remember, click the like button, and while you're at it, click the subscription button, turn on your post notification bell. I'm not gonna keep on it too long. Let's get straight back into the video. Yo, me hungry till me weak. Meaning I'm so hungry that I feel weak. No, this one is self-explanatory, but you already know we like to exaggerate even though we don't feel weak in the moment, but that's just how we love to express ourselves and be extra with it, you know? Moving along. Yo, you know, sister white squall and nyam off my outside. Meaning, When you're hungry, you get some white scum or white, your lip get dry or around your mouth area would get dry. I'll leave a picture of what I'm talking about. We call it white squall. So that's why we say like, yo, white squall and yam off my mouth side, Meaning you're really, really hungry. I starve in a bridging. This basically mean I'm starving. Even when we are not starving, we just love to exaggerate and be very expressive. So even when we are not starving, we still are gonna say, I starve in a virgin. Nani I'm from man in a star. Yeah. Yo, me a dead fi hungry, brother. Meaning I'm dying of hunger. Obviously, I'm not dying. Obviously, I'm not dying of hunger, but it just sounds more dramatic that way, right? So just give me the food already, man. My belly a touch my back. Meaning your belly is touching your back, right? So when you have been hungry for a while, it feels like all the fat is gone from your belly and it's caved in, right? So it feels like your belly is like caved into your back? So we're too extra. We're too extra. I feel for something nice. I feel for something nice. Feel like when I eat something nice. No, this one means I feel like I would eat something nice. No, this one doesn't mean like you're extremely hungry, like you'd eat a big meal. This one is for when you're feeling a little peckish, like you want some cake or ice cream or a little sweet treat. That's how we would use this one. And there you have it, 14 Jamaican phrases for when you're hungry. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Turn on your post notification bell. If you'd like to support the work that we're doing on Nioka's World, I do have my membership link and I will leave it down in the comments section. All right. Big up on a damn self. Remember, I go live every Sunday at 7 p.m. So I hope to see you guys there. Big up on yourself and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.